the RYOBI ONE HP 14-inch Dethatcher Aerator. Achieve a healthier lawn with just the push of a button. Two 18-volt 4-amp-hour batteries work simultaneously to power the brushless motor, delivering maximum performance and runtime. The Dethatcher reel lifts and removes dead grass from your lawn with a wide 14-inch clearing path to get the job done quickly. With a single motion, easily select one of 4 working heights, allowing you to select the appropriate setting for your lawn. This tool quickly converts to an aerator with the included bladed reel. The 16 durable stainless steel blades perforate the soil with small holes to allow air, water, and nutrients to reach grass roots and promote growth. When the job is done, the handles easily fold for compact storage. The RYOBI ONE HP 14-inch Dethatcher Aerator, part of the ONE system, exclusively at the Home Depot.